we will continue with morning class. The morning we were talking about concepts of acids and then bases, Arrhenius acid and then bases visa, correct? Bronsted Lowry concepts visa, Lewis acid character also, Lewis acids and then base character also visa, correct? Now we were going to talk about ionization of the ionization constant. The ionization constant, the ionization constant of water and its product. Water and its product. And its the product. Product is nothing but here ionic product. Now, sir, carefully see. Sir, first when I am talking about water, I am going to take, see here, one second. Now, I am going to talk about water. See sir, water how to dissociate means H2O dissociated into H plus plus OH minus. Correct? For this, can anybody write equilibrium constant, sir? K. See, how to write? Concentration of H plus, concentration of OH minus. Correct? Then you will write it as concentration of H2O when it is the vapor phase. When it is the vapor phase. Correct? Concentration of H plus, concentration of OH minus divided by 2. This is constant, no? Water concentration always constant. That is 55.55 molar. Sir, water concentration always constant, that is 55.55 molar. That keep it in mind. This you can multiply constant into constant. One more constant. That I am going to keep it as KW. W is nothing but water indication. Ionic product of water. That is what? KW is equal to concentration of H plus OH minus. Sir, this is ionic product of water or not? See, in that water, H plus is one of the ion, OH minus is another ion in water. H plus and then OH minus, the product of ions in water molecule. Then this KW, I can say ionic product of water. What it is called? Ionic product of water. Yes. This KW value, how much will be there? Yes. See carefully. In water, H plus concentration, how much, sir? H plus pH is how much, sir? In water. In water, water is acidic or basic or both or neutral? Neutral. You got that point? Can you see carefully? It means concentration of H plus is 10 power minus 7. Correct? pH is equal to 7 means 10 power minus 7. Even concentration of OH minus also 10 power 7 minus. Now see 10 power minus 7 into 10 power minus 7, what will happen? 10 power minus 14. It means KW value is equal to concentration of H plus and then concentration of OH minus. Correct? See, concentration of H plus in water molecule, we know very well. How much? 10 to the power of minus 7. It means pH is equal to, we will say 7, no? That pH is equal to 7 means, then concentration of H plus I can write it as 10 power minus 7. I will tell you how I am writing. Sir, pH is equal to how much? 7. Correct? See carefully. When I am sending this, pH is equal to 7. Carefully see. pH value, I will write it clearly, sir. I think you will get idea. First, I will rub this somewhere. Here I will rub, then I will write it. See, sir. Sir, pH formula you know, right? Minus log of concentration of H plus. This is when the pH is equal to 7, it means minus log concentration of H plus is equal to 7. Minus send this side. Now what will happen? Log of concentration of H plus 7 minus 7. Correct? If this log, if you are sending this side, that will become 10 to the power of minus 7. See, concentration of H plus is equal to 10 to the power of minus 7. Sir, if it is multiply, number is there. If it is goes this side, divided by. If it is positive, number is there. If it is goes this side, negative. Such a way, same mathematical operation. Log, when you are sending from left to right or right to left, then it will become 10 to the power of this value. It means 10 to the power minus 7, because this log base value 10. Log base value 10. Even in the mathematics you will learn, until just constant here pH is equal to 7 means I can say concentration of H plus is equal to 10 to the power of minus 7. If POH is equal to 7 means concentration of OH minus is equal to 10 to the power of minus 7. See, 10 to the power of minus 7 into 10 to the power of minus 7, I will get it as a 10 to the power of minus 14. You got points, sir, what I am trying to say? It means Kw. Sir, this is molar, this is molar. Then I can say molar to the power of 2. See, ionic product of water is nothing but concentration of H plus into concentration of OH minus. Because of this is neutral, then 10 to the power of minus 7 into 10 to the power of minus 7, it becomes 10 to the power of minus 14 Kw value. Yes, now little we will go, sir. You will get one by one. Can you see? Sir, carefully. Here, Kw is equal to concentration of H plus, concentration of OH minus, we got 10 to the power of minus 14 m. M means molar, molar square. Okay. Now carefully, sir. When I am talking about in acidic, sir, in acidic, concentration of H plus is greater than concentration of OH minus. Correct or not, sir? In acidic medium, this statement is correct or not? Can anybody tell me? Now, when I am talking about basic, we will talk, or neutral, we will talk. Yes, neutral. Neutral what will happen? Concentration of H plus is equal to concentration of OH minus. Any doubt is there? Then, when I am talking about basic case, concentration of H plus less than concentration of OH minus. Correct? Now, the same acidic medium, concentration of H plus greater than concentration of OH minus. Now I am going to talk about the pH scale. Sir, all carefully see. Here, sir, if that pH is equal to pH value, power of hydrogen, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. See, sir, carefully. It means this was, we know, neutral. Okay. pH is equal to 1. Can I write concentration of H plus is equal to 10 to the power of minus 1? Sir, just before only we did. Minus log of concentration of H plus is equal to pH value. Correct? If this pH is equal to 1, no? Then what will happen? This minus 1, it will become, see, I am writing. Minus log of concentration of H plus is equal to 1. Now see, log of concentration of H plus is equal to minus 1. Concentration of H plus is equal to 10 power minus 1. Same way, when the pH is equal to 1, the concentration of H plus is 10 to the power of minus 1. If comes to this 10 to the power of minus 2, this is 10 to the power of minus 3, 10 to the power of minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Then see, this is 10 to the power of minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11, minus 12 dash 10 to the power of minus. 39, then 14. Now carefully see, sir. This is my left. From left to right, this is left. Left to right, pH value what will happen, sir? pH value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. pH value what will happen left to right? pH value increases. Very good. Okay. Same left to right, concentration of H plus value what will happen, sir? See, 10 to the power of minus 1, 10. Left to right, concentration of H plus value decreases. You got my point? It means because pH is equal to minus, I written, sir. Sir, both are directly proportional only, but minus. Both are directly proportional only, but minus. Then it will come reverse. It means when I'm talking about pH 1 to 14, the pH value from left to right is increases, increases, increases. It means from this to until 6.99, I can call it as acidic medium. Correct? Acidic. Now if it is goes basic medium. Okay. It means left to right, the pH value is increases. What will happen? Basic character will increase, acidic character will decrease. Left to right. Because when you are going from here to here, yes, tell me. Yes. It means left to right, when the pH is equal to 1, starting is the strong acid, we can say. 1, 2, 3 is the strong acids. Now if you go little bit further, 5, 6, near to 7, that is weak acids. 7 is neutral. Correct? Now this is weak bases, strong, 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 more strong will come. Okay. Now it means this is ionic product of water. Kw is equal to concentration of H plus and then OH minus, that value. In that, concentration of H plus is 10 power minus 7. Concentration of OH minus is 10 power minus 7. Correct? Concentration in terms of molarity we are talking, that only capital M. Capital M into capital M, M square will come. Okay. Acidic medium means concentration of H plus. Neutral medium means both will equal. Basic medium means concentration of OH minus will be more. But this pH and then H plus is very, very important. Sir, why we are writing that pH? Why can't H plus in the sense? To representation easy manner only. See, power of hydrogen, why we are writing, sir? If the pH is equal to 1, instead of, I can write concentration of H plus 10 power minus 1 means 0.1. Yes, sir. To representation easy. For example, concentration of H plus, if I want to write this 10 power minus 6 means 0.0000001. It means such representation is hard. Comparatively, pH is equal to 6. You got right? It means to easy representation only, concentration of H plus we are changing into pH values, power of hydrogen. Okay. This is about ionic product of water. Now we will go little bit. Can you see, sir? Here. Sir, if you didn't get anybody, please you can ask. Okay. Sir, here few formulas will come, log formulas, but we need to be remember or something. Here see, Kw is equal to what will happen? Concentration of H plus, then concentration of OH minus. Yes, this is equal to, we know, 10 to the power of minus 14 m square, molar square. Sir, Kw is equal to this, right? See, Kw is equal to concentration of H plus, concentration of OH minus. Sir, you have to understood carefully, sir. I am going to apply both side is log. What I am doing? Both side is log. Log Kw is equal to log whole bracket, then concentration of H plus, concentration of OH minus. Sir, can anybody log AB formula? Can anybody will say log AB formula? Who will say? Log AB. Sir, you don't know. Log AB type is there, we can say log A plus log B. Okay. See, this log AB, then log A plus log B, I will write it. Sir, that formulas you will learn. Log Kw is equal to log of concentration of H plus log of concentration of OH minus. See carefully, I didn't do anything, just I applied that log. Now, the pH formula you know, right? pH is equal to minus log of concentration of H plus. This is the formula. Okay. Now, both side I am multiplying with minus. It means what will happen? Minus log of Kw is equal to minus log of H plus here also minus, no, minus log of OH minus. Yes. Now see carefully, or here plus keep and then in the bracket minus keep, sir, for not to confuse. Okay. Now see, pH is equal to minus log of H plus, pKw is equal to, see, pOH is equal to what will happen? Minus log of OH minus. pKw is equal to what will happen? Minus log of Kw. It means where the minus log of Kw will be there, I can write it as pKw. Means pKw is equal to what? This is what is the formula? pH. Then plus, then this is what is the formula? pOH. It means pKw, power of ionic product. Kw means don't think something again. Power of ionic product of water is equal to power of hydrogen plus power of OH minus. It is correct or not, sir? Who will say? Whether it is correct or not, what we did? Yes. Now, it is equal to 10 power minus 14 will come or nothing. We need to see, carefully see. Here, this side also should apply log, no? Now I am applying log of 10 to the power of minus 14. See, sir, this is log A to the power of M formula. Anybody knows, sir? Log A to the power of M formula, anyone knows? M log A. Sir, this log values you will learn within short time. Okay. It means this M is nothing but minus 14. Then log 10. Okay. You got my point, sir? Minus 14. Yes. In this step, here what will happen, sir? Log 10 value will become 1. Okay. Here minus 14 I am writing. But what we did here, we multiply with minus, no? Then will become 14. It means what will happen, see? We are getting Kw is equal to concentration of H plus concentration of OH minus is equal to 10 power minus 14. But power of Kw is equal to pH plus pOH minus is equal to 10 to the power of 14. Sorry, 14. This is very, very important one. It means when I'm changing the concentration in terms of power, or when I'm changing the power in terms of concentration. Okay. For example, here I am writing pH is equal to 1 means we are writing no 10. Concentration of H plus is equal to 10 power minus 1. It means the power when you concentration of H plus 2 power, if you are changing, this powers only will come. The power when you are changing concentration values 10 to the power of this value will come. That only I did from this. It means only this statement very important. It means ionic product of water Kw is equal to concentration of H plus into concentration of OH minus is equal to 10 to the power of minus 14. Don't think how it came. Concentration of H plus 10 power minus 1. Concentration of OH minus 10 power minus 1. Yes, because of neutral. Then 10 to the power of minus 14. Then I did both sides is log. I changed it in terms of power. Power of ionic product of water pKw is equal to P concentration of H plus pOH minus. pH, POH. Directly write it down. pH plus POH is equal to 40 vegan. These two statements are very important. Yes. If still anybody having doubt on this, please you can tell me, sir. Then we will go further. Yes, sir. Anybody having doubt on this, sir? Sir, this is only just for introduction. This total mathematics and all, you will learn that log. When you know that about log,